Here's a question that trips up even experienced developers. What return type does an async function have in TypeScript? The answer might surprise you. Every async function in TypeScript returns a promise. It doesn't matter what you write in your function body. The moment you add the async keyword, TypeScript automatically wraps the return type in a promise. This is not optional. It's the fundamental behavior of async functions. The syntax uses TypeScript's generic promise type. If your function returns a number, the return type is promise of number. If it returns a user object, it's promise of user. The T in promise T represents whatever type your function actually produces. This gives you full type safety even with asynchronous operations. Here's the key insight. TypeScript automatically wraps your return value in a promise. You write return 42, but TypeScript sees promise that resolves to 42. You never manually create the promise. The async keyword does it for you. This is why async and await work so seamlessly together. 2 important details. First, if your async function doesn't return anything, the type is promise void. Second, when you use await on a promise, it unwraps the promise and gives you the actual value. Await is the inverse operation of async. Remember, async functions always return a promise wrapping your actual return value. Master this concept and you'll write better TypeScript async code. Practice more interview questions at interviewmentor.app. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.